This powerful homemade drink is very simple and easy to make, and it's made by easily available ingredients. You just need two simple ingredients, honey and cinnamon. These two ingredients are healthy and natural, and when they are combined, they make the most powerful fat-busting combo. Just follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Directions: as we mentioned before, this homemade weight loss drink is very simple and easy to make. You just have to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon in 250 ml of boiled water. After that, you need to wait for 10 minutes until the mixture is cool enough, and then you need to add 2 teaspoons of raw honey. And make sure you wait to add the honey, because if the water is too hot, it will reduce its effects. Make sure you drink this miraculous drink in the morning, immediately after you wake up, on an empty stomach, or you can drink it in the middle of the day or before dinner. You will notice the first results just after 1 week. All your friends will ask you for your little secret. Another great recipe below to lose weight and cleanse your liver. Clean your liver and lose weight in 72 hours with this powerful drink. When the organism is full of toxins, the liver can't perform its functions normally. In this case, the process of losing weight is significantly slower and you gain more and more weight. People don't realize that it's the liver that is the most important organ in the body, which decides if you are going to lose weight or not. That is the reason why people don't lose weight despite their great effort and different methods. If you are one of them who want to lose weight, then try this recipe and detox your liver entirely. Consume it for 3 days and clean your liver from any toxins and filth which live inside. How it is used. Consume this drink 3 times a day for 3 days. Avoid heavy meals during these 3 days. Eat healthy food in order to ease the process of detoxification of the liver and lose some weight. Ingredients: 3 lemons, 1 cup of cut parsley, 5 stems celery, 6 cups of water. Instructions: put the lemon juice, parsley and celery in the blender and mix it. Then add water and mix again. Consume 2 glasses 3 times a day on an empty stomach. Repeat the procedure in the next 2 days. Then make a break for 7 to 10 days and then repeat the treatment.